know if you can see me. You see me now, but I can't see you. I'm at the beach right now, and I'm walking all the way to the pier. My hotel is that way. I'm gonna walk over here and take some pictures down here. So, and my mom said there's good shells down there, so I'm gonna go back down there after that. There was a guy staring at me, and I was like, yeah, I'm videoing myself on the beach. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing today besides everyone coming down to the beach again, which is pretty much all we can do with this virus and everything. But we went through town yesterday, but not a lot. Actually, kind of a lot was open for right now, which probably isn't the best idea. There's a whole amusement park thing kind of open, which isn't very smart, but yeah. And every shop had like lines to get in because, you know, they have to have a certain amount of people at a time, but it's kind of crazy. But I'm on my, which is right down there. Yep. Oh, I just got my pants wet. Oh my gosh, it's still videoing. Well, oops, hold up. That was really awkward. I am on the beach. My mom is somewhere on that balcony over there. But I have a metal detector that Ralph gave me. He's letting me use, so I'm gonna just walk around and do that. And that is a really cool sandcastle over there. Mine turned out like crap, but whatever. So I'm gonna do that and edit this video because most of it is stupid. Alright, so I'm an idiot. So I need a shovel and stuff because I didn't realize in the wet sand it'd be too hard. So my mom putting one at the door. It's a great angle. Going right back up to the room and then right back down. I got my bucket and stuff. I'm on the elevator. Going across the ground. Floor. I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna go back to the beach. I look forward to it. This is my sandcastle. It needs something. When it turns out you're a lot better at flying a kite than you thought you'd be, that's like really high. The remote worked, and now the water won't come up high enough so that I can show again because I was putting my kite away. I'm very disappointed. It worked. Come on. It worked. So it works. My boat works.